Hi guys, Chris here again. So what are we learning today? So we're looking at binomial expansion, where they tell us to find term independent or coefficient or otherwise, as the case may be. So we have two questions here. This question is from October-November 2024 paper. So we're told to find the term independent of x. It means there is no x. Independent means no x. So for both of these, okay? All these are past paper questions. Trust me when I say, if you know what you're doing, using this trick I'm about to deliver, you will do this in less than 2 minutes. Trust me when I say that. All right, what is binomial expansion in the first case? Binomial expansion, if you do binomial expansion, you should know that the powers add up to give you the original power, okay? So, for example, let's say I want to, let's say I want to expand x plus y to the power of 7. This is x7 plus 7, 1, then x6, y1 plus 7, 2, x5, y2 plus 7, 3, 7c3, remember, x4, y3. Continues. The point of doing this is, see the technique I'm using to solve this kind of question. These powers add up to give me 7. These powers add up to give me 7. These powers add up to give me 7. That is what I know. Any binomial expansion. So I'm going to use the same technique to solve this question. Okay? They add up to give me 7. We will see. And you can see a pattern. It doesn't matter whether you put 7, 6 here. So I always like keeping these numbers. These numbers. Okay, this method works all the time. If not, I will not present it. Actually, I discovered it somehow, maybe somewhere else on YouTube or TikTok, but I thought of it and I got it. Okay, so obviously we're going to have 2x squared and minus 3 by x. Okay. If you're good in indices, trust me, you can do this in less than 1 minute. So let's think together. 6. 3 and 3 gives me 6. I need all sum of numbers to give me 6. That is binomial expansion anyway. So 4 and 2, 2 and 4, 5 and 1, 1 and 5. 6, it cannot be 6 and 1 or 1 and 6 and 0. Okay, now let's do this mentally. If I put 3 here, and I put 3 here. So if I put 3 here, just work on the x for now, okay? With time, that's how you train your brain. So this is x to the power of 6, because 3 is here. So let's say I put 3, I'll erase it. 3 here, because it must give me 6. This is x to the power of 6 divided by x cubed, right? That will be x3. So I need no x. So it cannot be 3, 3. Now you say try and error. I already know the answer. I'm just explaining. Sometime you get it once. Let's say I put 4 and 2. 4 here, 2 here. This is x to the power of 8 divided by x squared. So x6. So if they were asking for x6, I just get my answer. So it cannot be this. Now let's try 2, 4. That is my answer. Because x squared, x to the power of 4 divide x to the power of 4, they cancel out. So I needed 2 and 4. I knew it from beginning. So indices helps you. So what do you think will be here? Look at the pattern. So 6 and 4. You just press your calculator and see your answer. They don't care how you got it, but you're thinking. Thinking is part of the math. So 6c4, 6c4 is 15. So 15 times 2 to the power of 2 times minus 3 to the power of 4. remember the x cancel out. So 15 times 4 times 3 to the power of 4. So that gives me 4860. That is my answer. I can do this in 1 minute, and you can do it also. So train your brain to work on indices. If you're struggling with this, it means your indices is not good, honestly. Okay, now let's say this one. So we write the same thing. 2x and 1 by 4x squared. Okay, we already know this will be 6 and something. 6 again, we're lucky. So let's say we put 3. We need the x to cancel, remember. This will not cancel because this will be x cubed divided by x6, no. So let's say we put 4, 2. This will cancel, okay? So x4 divided by x4, so 6c2. Try it for any question. So if binomial expansion is in your portion and you're finding coefficient, quickly, right now, get some question and try it. You don't get it? Message me in the chat box. Okay, so from here, 6.2 and 6.4 will be the same. So 6.2, so 6.2, 6c2. So this is 15 times 2 to the power of 4 times 1 over 4 to the power of 2, because they cancel, right? So that would also times 2 to the power of 4 divide 4 squared. So this is 15. So these are my answers. So binomial expansion should not be a problem for you after watching the video. There are some other part, and I will make a video on the other part where you have to expand one bracket with the other. But this technique is a very good technique and you should master it, okay? All right, guys, take care of yourself and bye.